Hi, my name is Chris Green from USP Car Care. I started this shop over 20 years ago. We have been in the same location in Coral Springs, Florida since that day. This shop started purely off the passion for racing cars and has since then turned into one of the leading European repair shops in the country. The countless years we have spent diagnosing these pesky European cars proves useful in our line of work every single day. Our shop is conveniently located in between West Palm Beach and Miami, Florida. We here at USP Car Care are problem solvers at heart. We find the problem right the first time and make sure it's fixed. We do not just change parts.
My name is Tyler Amadon. I'm the service manager here at USP Car Care. Started here roughly about 7 years ago or so. It really doesn't feel like that long ago that I started, but started as a service advisor and here we are today. As a Volkswagen enthusiast myself, I have a 2012 Volkswagen GLI and we treat every car like we would our own. Here at USP Car Care, we like to demystify the automotive repair process as much as possible, or the inspection process as much as possible. So we now currently utilize a digital vehicle inspection that allows us to get a baseline health check of the car while it's here currently. This allows the technicians out back to take a picture of any of the affected items or make notations that can then be emailed to the customer, so we can discuss them over the phone without you even being here, but still having the trust factor being able to see what we're seeing, so that way we can convey what exactly is occurring to the car without an interruption to your day as much as possible. We have all the latest tools and equipment necessary combined with our 20+ years of experience to properly diagnose or service any vehicle. Whether it's a pesky light on the dash or just a desire to make more horsepower, the team here at USP Car Care is here for you every step of the way.